Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So in today's video we are going to show you Sarpanpally Lake. So we started around 11:30 a.m. in the morning. We plan to have our lunch at the lake itself.
So ji, on records to Hasajara.
So Sarpanpally Lake is around 89 kilometers away from Secunderabad railway station and around 84 kilometers away from the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. So you can easily reach there by searching the location in Google Maps, and the GPS works perfectly in that area. So as you can see, we are very close to Sarpanpally Lake. It's quite a green place. It's very pretty, very cool and calm. So we have reached our destination. As you can see, it was pretty hot, so we decided to have our lunch inside car, and after that we decided to install our tent because Sarpanpally Lake area has no trees at all. Only there is one single tree, but that was also occupied by many people, so we decided to have our lunch inside car, and after that we came out and we installed our tents. So dad and my husband are busy in the installation while I shoot the video. My son is getting super excited because he has this habit that whenever somebody is laying the bed sheets or something, he wants to walk on it immediately whatsoever. So the lake area is surrounded with greenery. It's completely green, very nice, but only problem is you don't have any trees at all. So you have to carry your own umbrellas. If the weather is fine, then it is okay, but if you have sun, then you will be literally fried. So that's the reason why we decided to get our tents. We bought this tent from Amazon.in, so I will try to provide the link in description. If you are interested, you can go ahead and buy it. Along with the tent, we bought the barbecue setup also, which is quite comfortable and portable and really good for small family trips. I'll provide the link of that as well. So yeah, we installed our tents, and people come in early morning hours or post lunch in the evening. So during afternoon, not many people will be available there. Only a couple of guys will be there who are kayaking organizers. So around 4:30 ish, many people come. My dad decided to do fishing and we caught none like as usual, but anyways, it's a great place. You can set up your own campfire, you can set up your tents, you can have one relaxing evening with your family. For day outing, it is really good. Like in the morning, you can come and try if you want to cook your food and have it. Nobody will stop you. It's a free land. It is not developed by Telangana tourism as of now, but yet people do come and they have a lot of fun here with their families and friends. So it's pretty safe for day outing at least. For night camping, if you want to go, you can go to any of the resorts, and resort people will provide you some secured locations where you can install your tents or maybe avail their tents which are already available. So the to-do list for Sarpanpally Lake is kayaking, fishing, camping, setting up barbecue or campfire, your choice. So entire day you can spend here with your family and friends. It's not a huge property, as I told you. There won't be too much land there. There will be a limited land available, but it is good enough to set up your tents or your bed sheets or everything. I hope you like this video and this video was pretty useful to you. If you have any other doubts or you want some other information, or if you know any other great places like this, please do mention in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and it was almost around 5 o'clock when we were thinking to leave the place or set up the barbecue. By the time we lit the fire, the rain started and we had no choice but to leave our charcoal there, dump it there, because we cannot carry the hot charcoal within the car. So we dumped it and we got our barbecue out. and we decided to leave the place. So that's it about a fun day outing with my family. I hope this video was useful to you. Please subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.